Pasta sauce has become one of the most common food products in homes across the United States. Millions of people rely on ready-made sauces because they save time, reduce cooking effort, and make quick meals possible after long working days. Supermarket shelves are packed with hundreds of colorful jars promising authentic Italian flavor, fresh tomatoes, healthy ingredients, and homemade quality. But behind the attractive labels and clever advertising, many consumers are starting to question what is really hidden inside these sauces. The reality is that some pasta sauces contain surprisingly high levels of sugar, sodium, preservatives, cheap vegetable oils, artificial flavor enhancers, and heavily processed tomato concentrates. Some companies focus more on long shelf life and mass production than ingredient quality or nutritional value. While these products may taste good temporarily, many health-conscious consumers are becoming more careful about what they feed their families every single week. Over the last few years, awareness around ultra-processed foods has increased dramatically in America. More people are now reading labels, comparing ingredients, and searching for sauces made with simpler recipes and more natural ingredients. Today, we're looking at 9 USA pasta sauce brands that many consumers criticize for over-processing, poor ingredient quality, or unhealthy additives, and 4 pasta sauce brands that are often considered cleaner, healthier, and closer to authentic homemade cooking. Before we begin, remember this video is based on public reviews, ingredient transparency, nutrition concerns, and consumer discussions. Different people have different dietary needs and taste preferences, so always check labels and ingredients before purchasing. Pasta sauce brands. Many consumers try to avoid number 9, Ragu classic sauces. Ragu is one of the most famous pasta sauce brands in the United States and has dominated supermarket shelves for decades. Many families grew up eating Ragu because the brand is affordable, easy to find, and heavily advertised as a quick family meal solution. However, health-conscious consumers often criticize some Ragu sauces for containing added sugar and high sodium levels. Many buyers feel the sauces taste sweeter than authentic Italian tomato sauces. Critics argue that the extra sugar may help improve flavor for mass-market audiences, but it also increases unnecessary processed ingredients in everyday meals. Some consumers also believe the texture can feel overly processed compared to fresh homemade sauces made from real tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and herbs. Although Ragu remains hugely popular, ingredient-conscious shoppers are increasingly searching for alternatives with fewer additives and more natural flavor profiles. Number 8. Great value pasta sauce. Budget supermarket sauces attract millions of shoppers because of affordability, especially during times of inflation and rising food costs. Walmart's great value pasta sauces are among the cheapest options available in many American supermarkets. However, many consumers believe extremely low-cost sauces often compromise ingredient quality to keep prices low. Some buyers complain about watery texture, weak tomato flavor, and heavy reliance on stabilizers or starch-based thickeners. Critics also argue that lower tomato concentration means consumers may receive less nutritional value compared to premium sauces. While these products may still work for quick budget meals, many food-conscious shoppers prefer sauces with higher tomato content and simpler ingredient lists. Number 7. Prego pasta sauces. Prego sauces are marketed as rich and flavorful family-friendly pasta sauces. The branding gives the impression of hearty homemade cooking. However, some consumers argue that despite strong marketing, the products still contain processed oils, sodium, and added sugars similar to many mainstream brands. Some buyers also believe the sauces prioritize bold commercial flavor rather than authentic natural ingredients. Although many customers genuinely enjoy the taste, ingredient-conscious consumers sometimes feel the products contain too many processed additives. Critics argue that consumers often pay extra for branding and packaging rather than significantly cleaner ingredients. Number 6. Hunt's pasta sauces. Hunt's is widely recognized for tomato-based products across America, but some consumers criticize certain Hunt's pasta sauces for excessive sweetness and inconsistent quality between batches. Some buyers report that the sauces can taste overly processed or artificial compared to fresh homemade tomato sauces. Others feel the flavor becomes too dependent on sugar and flavor enhancers instead of naturally rich tomato quality. Although Hunt's still has many loyal customers, critics argue that authentic Italian cooking usually relies on fewer ingredients and fresher preparation methods. Number 5. Kroger store brand pasta sauces. Kroger's store brand sauces have become popular because they offer affordable alternatives to expensive national brands. While many shoppers appreciate the low prices, critics argue that cheaper sauces often rely on lower quality oils and lower tomato concentration. Some consumers also complain about excessive sweetness or thicker processed textures created using starches and stabilizers. Budget sauces are frequently designed to maximize shelf life and reduce production costs, which may affect ingredient purity. Although these products remain popular during economic pressure, many health-conscious consumers prefer spending slightly more for cleaner ingredients and less processing. Number 4. Alfredo jar sauces. Cream-based Alfredo sauces sold in supermarkets are especially controversial among nutrition-focused consumers because they often contain preservatives, emulsifiers, and modified starches. Many jarred Alfredo sauces have received criticism for feeling overly processed and artificially thickened. Many consumers trying to reduce ultra-processed foods avoid packaged cream sauces because they are often high in calories, sodium, and artificial stabilizers. Some buyers also believe fresh homemade Alfredo sauce tastes far more natural and balanced compared to supermarket alternatives. Although these sauces remain convenient for quick dinners, critics argue that convenience sometimes comes at the cost of nutritional quality. Number 3. Bertolli ready-made sauces. Bertolli is particularly famous for Italian-style sauces and olive oil products. While the brand has a strong reputation, some consumers criticize certain pasta sauces for high oil content and preservative use. Others believe the flavor can sometimes feel overly commercialized rather than naturally fresh. Many health-conscious shoppers prefer refrigerated fresh sauces or homemade recipes instead of heavily shelf-stable products. Critics also point out that some varieties contain large amounts of cheaper oils rather than premium extra virgin olive oil. Although Bertolli still has loyal fans, ingredient-focused consumers occasionally choose smaller artisan brands instead. Number 2. Dollar store pasta sauces. Extremely cheap discount store pasta sauces are often criticized for weaker tomato flavor and cheaper ingredients. Some consumers report watery consistency, excessive sweetness, and less authentic flavor compared to higher quality alternatives. Critics also believe low-cost sauces may rely more heavily on additives and industrial processing methods to maintain long shelf life while keeping prices extremely low. For consumers focused on healthier eating and cleaner labels, these ultra-budget sauces are often viewed as less desirable options. Number 1. Cheap imported unbranded sauces. One of the biggest concerns among food-conscious consumers is the growing number of cheap imported sauces sold online or in discount stores with limited ingredient transparency. Some products may contain poor quality oils, excessive preservatives, artificial coloring, or unclear sourcing standards. Nutrition experts often warn consumers against buying food products with vague labels or limited ingredient information. When consumers cannot clearly identify what is inside the jar, it becomes difficult to evaluate nutritional quality or food safety standards. Although low prices may seem attractive during difficult economic times, many consumers believe food quality and ingredient transparency are far more important for long-term health. 4. Pasta sauce brands. Many people consider cleaner number 4, Rao's Homemade. Rao's Homemade has become one of the most respected premium pasta sauce brands in America because of its focus on simple ingredients and authentic Italian-style recipes. Many consumers appreciate the cleaner ingredient lists and rich tomato flavor compared to heavily processed commercial sauces. Supporters often say Rao's sauces taste fresher and more balanced than many mass-produced supermarket alternatives. Number 3. Organico Bello. Organico Bello focuses heavily on organic ingredients and traditional Italian cooking methods. Many buyers appreciate the rich tomato flavor and natural texture that feels closer to homemade cooking. The brand is popular among consumers who carefully read labels and prefer fewer additives in their food. Many supporters believe Organico Bello sauces maintain better ingredient purity because they rely less on industrial processing techniques. Number 2. Cucina Antica. Cucina Antica is widely respected among health-conscious shoppers because of its commitment to non-GMO ingredients and lower sugar levels. Many consumers appreciate the company's transparency and cleaner ingredient lists. The sauces are especially popular among wellness-focused consumers and people trying to avoid artificial preservatives. Many buyers also praise the balanced flavor and more natural tomato taste. Although the products are more expensive than budget supermarket sauces, supporters believe the higher ingredient quality makes them worth the price. Number 1. Yo Mama's Foods Pasta Sauces. Yo Mama's Foods is often considered one of the cleanest and most natural pasta sauce brands in the United States. The company strongly focuses on low-sugar recipes, premium ingredients, and minimally processed cooking methods. Many consumers believe Yo Mama's sauces taste significantly fresher and more authentic than heavily processed supermarket alternatives. The sauces are known for rich tomato flavor, cleaner ingredients, high-quality oils, and more natural recipes. Unlike many commercial sauces filled with preservatives and added sugars, Yo Mama's products focus on simplicity and freshness. Although the sauces are more expensive, many health-conscious consumers believe the superior ingredient quality justifies the higher price. For consumers searching for cleaner, more natural, and more premium pasta sauce options, Yo Mama's Foods is often considered one of the safest and highest quality choices currently available in the USA market. At the end of the day, choosing a pasta sauce is not only about taste, it is also about understanding ingredients, nutrition, and food processing methods. Many supermarket sauces may appear healthy because of attractive packaging and marketing slogans, but ingredient labels often reveal hidden sugars, preservatives, excessive sodium, and lower quality oils. That's why more consumers across America are starting to pay closer attention to ingredient transparency, tomato concentration, oil quality, and processing methods before making purchasing decisions. Cleaner products with simpler recipes are becoming increasingly popular among families trying to improve their eating habits and reduce ultra-processed foods from their diets. The good news is that healthier alternatives are becoming easier to find in supermarkets and organic food stores. By carefully reading labels and understanding ingredients, consumers can make smarter food choices without sacrificing convenience or flavor. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more food awareness videos, consumer guides, and healthy shopping tips.